Struggling to join a Webex meeting? I promise it's way simpler than it looks. Follow these exact steps and you'll get in fast while avoiding the common mistakes that trip people up. So, let me lay out the plan for you. First, we'll sign into your Webex account. Then, we're going to navigate to the Meetings page and use the Join button. Sound good? Let's do this. All right, step 1. You want to start by signing into your Webex account. Now, this is important. Make sure you're using the same email address and password that your meeting host invited. If you try to join with a different account, you might get a frustrating error or land on a blank screen. I've seen that happen more times than I can count. So just get that login squared away first. It's the foundation for everything else. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see a few options there. Go ahead and click on the one that says Meetings. That's going to pull up your main dashboard where all your scheduled meetings are listed. Now, here on the Meetings page, look for the Join button. It's usually pretty easy to spot, but don't confuse it with the Start button if you see one nearby. The Join button is specifically for joining a meeting someone else has set up. Go ahead and click that. After you click it, a new window is going to pop up. It's called the Join a Meeting window. Just give it a second to appear. This might take a moment to process, so don't click the button again while you're waiting. Patience here saves you from opening a bunch of duplicate windows. Okay, now for the part where most people get tripped up. In that new window, you'll see a field labeled Enter Meeting Information. This is where you type in the meeting link, the meeting number, or even a video address if your host gave you one. The safest bet is to copy the full meeting link from your invitation and paste it right in. That way, there's no risk of typing a wrong digit. Before you move forward, take a moment to review the meeting information that shows up. The window will usually fill in the details automatically once it recognizes the meeting. Double-check the subject and the host's name. Make sure it looks like the right meeting. You don't want to accidentally drop into a conversation about accounting when you were supposed to be on the design call. If the correct meeting appears in the search results automatically, just click on it to select it. That confirms everything is matched up properly. And then, you guessed it, click the Join button again. This is the big one. Now, Webex is going to start connecting you. You'll see a loading screen or a status message. It might say something like connecting or joining. Just hold tight. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to maybe 30 seconds if your internet is a little slow. Don't click anything else while it connects. Let the app do its thing. Once the connection is made, you're in. You'll enter the meeting space and you'll see all the participants and the shared content, if there is any. Now, here's where you have a little control. You can choose to participate using your microphone, your camera, and other meeting controls. When it comes to your microphone and camera, usually Webex will ask if you want to enable them before you fully enter. I always recommend turning your microphone off initially, just so your host doesn't hear any background noise. You can always turn it on when you need to speak. For your camera, it's totally up to you. Some people prefer to turn it on right away to show face, and others keep it off. No wrong answer there. Finally, take a moment to explore the other meeting controls you'll see at the bottom of the screen. There's the mute button, the stop video button, a chat window for typing messages, and a button to share your screen. Knowing where these are before you need them will make you feel a lot more in control. You don't want to be hunting for the mute button while everyone in the meeting can hear your dog barking. And that's really all there is to it. From that moment of confusion about how to even get in, you can now confidently join any Webex meeting in just a few clicks. You've got this.
Go ahead and try it out, and you'll see how smooth it really is.